is called crystal. This component is called as crystal.
X means crystal.
Yes. X always comes in the PCBs. They printed with X means that is called crystal. Only active sir. You need to use the crystals only in DC circuit. Active. Point, checkpoint, points, checkpoints, pads. We call it as pads. P stands for pads. Testing pads. How to check tracks is very simple. This is the entire PCB. In this PCB, you are having multiple layers. One is green layer. On the top, you will get a light green layer. What is this color and what is this color? This is called insulation. This is called track. What is this? Insulation. What is this? What is this? What is this in between line? What is this? From here to here? Track. How to check this transistor means you can consider any terminal, no problem. Connect one end to here and just follow the line. From here to here the connection is good or bad? Let's confirm. Good or bad? Good. You are getting continuity saw. Means the track is good. If the track is got damaged, if the track got damaged means you will not get a continuity, or maybe sometime you will get a continuity like this. This is called track. While opening board, some of the guys will going to twist the hardware like this. At that time what will happen? The track will damage. So you need to confirm the track means by this method.
So you have to test the reverse connection or bulk connection.
Yes, and for the bulk connection, and lot of guys are going to test this IAD sensor, ECD sensor by using test bulb.
Yes, sir.
1 meter, how much centimeter? 1000 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how much? 100. You need to go for school one more time. Okay. The same thing here. 1 ampere is equal to how many milliampere? 1000 ampere. Here I can write it as 400 milliamp. One watt. How much watt? This one is how much watt? Now shall we write the same calculation? Parking bulb I. Yes, perfectly. 1 is equal to voltage is to 4.6 ampere. We don't know. We will go to do calculation. 12.6 divided by I and just calculate it. How much? 0.079 amps. If I want to write in means 79 milliamps. This is 79 rupees. This is 400 rupees. Where to where calculation? 1 watt LED bulb for to check the confirmation supply is coming or not. Don't use 5 watt. If you use 5 watt, what will happen? Especially for sensors. For relays is option to you. For to give ignition supply, option is left to you. You can use 5 watt bulb, no problem. But for sensor testing, whether supply is coming or not, you should always use, because it consumes how much ampere? It will consume how much ampere? If you connect that bulb, means what will happen? This will be the problem.
Okay, this is wires. This is pads.
Pads, testing pads. This is also pads. But the pads are having, but the wire is given here only. This is all tracks. In between the lines, all are the same.
Okay.
Here, this is also insulation. This one is track. This one is what? Track. This one is track. In between insulation. Yes. This one is insulation. Insulation. This is called track. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. P stands for points. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವಯರ್ಸ್ VI ಟಾಪ್ ಟು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಯರ್ ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನು, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕು, ವಯರ್ಸು, ಚೆಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಇದು ಗ್ರೀನ್